Good morning, everybody. So today we have HP. It's hard to read his number. Uh, Let me find this again with the micro lens. Three one six eight NG. 3168 NG. So this is the tiny machine here. So there have some issue with the fan. So how to replace a fan? That's a processor fan, which is like uh, sometime what happened because of dust, it's jammed, and if we continuously use that system, so the uh, effect of that continuous using a dusty fan will cause uh, processor sometime blow up, or sometime the fan stop working. And if you continue to use, when the processor goes down, I mean processor heat up, and then this is the end of machine life. So it's recommended, like, always do your computer service, like if you are you use your computer in open area, or like if you have a pet at home. So I recommend it in 6 months or at least once in a year. Just do a basic service, so it will extend your computer life as well. Anyways, I'll come back to the job. Now we have to replace this fan. So let's begin the job. Let me move my camera down so you guys can see. Okay, let's go down. Okay, I hope you can see that. Okay, so there are screws at the back. One, two, three, four, five, six. There are more main six screws, but other than that, they have some hidden screws here under this plastic. When you just pulled up a little bit up, so there are screws for the four side. So total 10 screws, you have to just take it out. I already did that. So now we have to just open the locks here, just because the back cover had to come up. So just open the lock with a small surface, or I use my nails. So just pull like this, and then just open the lock. There you go. Okay. If you just focused here, see, the fan is so dusty because of that, because the customer continues using it, so it stopped working now. So we have to replace it. So just for that, you just open this. There should be some screws here. Yeah, there's only one screw here hidden under the cables. Just open this and just take it out. I will just show you how messy it is. Okay, look at now this. You just realize this is the main cause it stopped working now. And if you see other hand, if you just realize the dust here, you see it's already blocked everything. So this is the main reason goes to be this fan goes to be short and it stopped working. So we had to replace with the newer fan. Yeah, let me grab the stuff and come back. Okay, so now we have a fan here. I have to just open it, and I have to check the fitting. It should be the same. Yeah, but before that we have to clean up this. Let's put it this one here. this one first. It shouldn't be. See, my God, the dust over here. A lot. So we can from outside as well. Maybe some. Okay, so now it looks perfect and clean. Look at this now. It's totally clean now, this area. So just make sure before putting the new fan, it should be cleaned and 100% okay. So just try to see the fitting first. It should be the 100% perfect. Yeah. So let me just plug in the cable first. It's easy to put the jack now and then after fitting. There you go. There you go. So we'll just screw back. Okay, so before I'm just closing this back, so I just want to try. At least everything should be working okay. So just plug in and then turn on it. There is some freaking error here. That's what's making noise. The cables are bothering that, so Anyway, I think I had to change the fan because it's a little bit noisy, which is not good. I had to bring some other part. It's made in China, man. Let me go to my camera up. Sometimes what happened? I mean, you just put the new, brand new stuff, and you, I mean, like this fan, it's just making a little bit noise. Of course, I have to replace some other one, and then okay. So this is the main procedure how you have to replace the fan. I mean, it's funny. I mean, for me, like after a long time, I just got this kind of complaint. I just bought, I mean, put the new one, brand new one fan, and then there's a noise. So it happens, it's just a part of our job. So just put a new one, doesn't matter. I'll do that later on. The only thing is to be for this video to be explained how you have to do that. So, and if you want to do the service, a similar process to do the service, take out the fan and clean up this all exhaust for that fan. The processor uh, heat paste also, if you can, change it so it will be make your computer life is much longer than what you have at the moment. I hope you like my this tutorial video, and yeah, please like it and share it. Maybe somebody need this help. I mean, if somebody have this kind of machine and he want to do his own to do the service, or just want to make it ready to for his computer life, want to extend his life or want to practice his own self. So, anyways, take care of yourself. It's a nice sunny day outside. We'll definitely come back with some other video. So, like it and share it. Thank you. Bye now.